My name is Alan, and today I'll be taking you through a quick demo of Heartland Retail. We like to say that we're much more than a point of sale. We're a complete omni-channel retail management platform. Let's get started. Welcome to your dashboard, or as we like to call it, Mission Control Center. This is where you go to see how you're doing and what you need to be doing. All data in this dashboard is in real time, so as soon as a sale has been placed or an order has been processed, it will immediately hit this dashboard. The sales dashboard provides actionable data to help you run your business. You can upload a sales plan and see real-time performance against the plan in a single location or across all locations, including e-commerce. You can also see real-time performance across all the other key performance indicators you track versus last year. We'll always compare you to the equivalent prior period, so in the case of this Today view, we're showing you a Friday to a Friday comp. With our dynamic date fields, I can quickly switch to a last week view and see a comp to last year in the equivalent week. On the right, you'll notice an alert section. This will notify you if there are any items that need to be transferred, if there are overdue purchase orders or sales orders that need to be invoiced, or anything else. This feature helps streamline processes that many retailers are still using email or the phone to take care of. Overall, the dashboard gives you a snapshot of everything going on and allows you to ask the right questions and make the right decisions. Next, let's move over to the point of sale. Heartland Retail is cross-platform, which means you can run the POS on an iPad, PC, or Mac. Notice how clean, sleek, and user-friendly it is. We built this software to be simple and intuitive so that your sales associates require minimal training to use it. Okay, let's go through a sale. First off, you'll want to input the sales rep's name into the transaction to support reporting of sales by sales rep. You can also split a sale between multiple reps if necessary. Next, let's add a customer. You can search by email, name, or any other identifying information. Once you've added a customer to the transaction, you can launch the Customer Dashboard, a powerful, robust clienteling tool. Here you can see your customer spending habits compared to the average customer, break down sales by store or channel, enter notes about the customer, and so much more. The goal of this dashboard is to give your sales associates just enough information to create a great customer experience for the shopper while they're in the store with you, which is the key to driving repeat business. Let's finish this transaction. You can scan an item onto this screen with a barcode scanner, or click the Find button to search for items by vendor, color, size, or any other attribute that might be associated with that item. Once you've added an item, it's easy to adjust the price, for example. Also, our automated promotions and coupons will save you countless hours manually inputting markdowns at the POS. Next, let's move on to inventory and items. Heartland Retail makes it very easy to add items one at a time in the interface or import them in bulk via an Excel spreadsheet. Or you can also use Heartland Retail's gridding feature to create families or styles of items in the product. I'm going to pull up the item record for the Allen sweater. You can see that you can view the item number, cost and price, see a description of the product, and print labels. Now, if you look below where it says group, category, style, and so on, all of these fields are custom fields. You can add as many of them as you'd like, and these fields are full citizens of the product. You can report on them, run promotions off of them, view them when you're searching, and so much more. And there's no limit as to how many you can create. That's the sort of flexibility that Heartland Retail can provide. Next, we're going to talk about purchase orders and receiving. The platform offers an easy and intuitive way for retailers to be able to enter purchase orders and receive against them. Much like your item records and many other things in Heartland Retail, you have the ability to customize the fields that are entered into POs. Here you can see a rather basic one. You see start ship, end ship, the location where you receive the order at, and so on. If you process bulk receivings in a warehouse, you can take advantage of our allocation feature, which allows you to create one PO with individual allocations by store. Once you've built your PO, you can export it to Excel or PDF, so you can quickly send it to a vendor. Next, let's look at reporting. Reporting is where Heartland Retail really stands apart from other point-of-sale systems. Heartland Retail's original team was dissatisfied with the mediocre reporting options other POS systems offered. Reports were hard to customize, the data wasn't real-time, and there was no historical inventory reporting, just to name a few issues. With Heartland Retail reporting, we have solved all of those problems. You can now create entirely customizable reports with whatever data you want. You can choose what to filter by, what to group on, and what metrics to display, and in general, how broad or specific you want your reports to be. You can also compare data to the prior year. Once you've built a report you're happy with, you can save it and easily rerun it again. Let's take a look at one of my favorite reports, Performance by Category. This report allows me to very easily see what my top inventory categories over the last 3 weeks were. I also have a very nice graphic to go along with the data, but something's missing. Let's say that in addition to sales, I want to see margin. I'm just going to head over to the Metrics tab, pop in gross margin percent, and now I'm good to go. We're really just scratching the surface here. You can report on virtually everything in Heartland Retail. Customers, inventory, purchase orders, and so on. We'd love the opportunity to show you more. Thanks for watching this brief demo. If you're interested in a more hands-on experience with Heartland Retail, you can sign up for a test drive today.